Everyone, how's everyone going? Hope you are having a awesome and a wonderful day. My name is Sanjeev. On this video I wanted to share with you how you can actually make money if your channel hasn't been monetized, if you haven't got that 4,000 watch hours, and if you haven't got that 1,000 subscribers on your channel. This method works, and I've got a channel like this, right? And I'll also be sharing with you an example channel who are actually doing this method, and they're making a lot of money using YouTube free traffic, right? So, and also stick all the way till the end, because I've got a awesome thing that I wanted to share with you. So make sure you watch this video all the way till the end. But if you're new to my channel, my name is Sanjeev, and on this channel I share with you how you can actually make money with YouTube automation channel. If you go to my channel homepage, you're going to see this video here, step-by-step training to 6 figures with YouTube automation channels. So these are the videos that you need to be watching for you to start making money from YouTube automation channels. So again, let's get to the training. Right, so this is a make money with YouTube using free traffic plus affiliate marketing, right? You might know affiliate marketing, and people who actually do mostly affiliate marketing, they're using like paid methods, but the training that I'm going to be sharing with you, it works, and it's actually, you can do this from anywhere in the world, right? So you're not just limited to wherever country you're living. This is worldwide. Okay, so I had to break things down because a lot of people always have a question like, if this is going to be working for me, if what if like I'm very uncomfortable and I don't want to show my face, right? So this is a faceless method that you can do affiliate marketing. So unlimited earning potential, the earning potential which I'm going to be sharing with you is unlimited, can be 100% automated, and little to no competition, which is just awesome. Okay, so low startup cost, and you don't need to wait to get monetized to earn money, right? Because the method strategy I'm going to be sharing with you is very beginner friendly, and this will actually start giving you that ongoing recurring money coming to your bank account. And like I said, watch till end, and as I got something awesome for you. Okay, so let's get started. So I've got a channel here called Future Tech, and who are actually doing this method very well. On his channel they got 256 videos, and every video they do like a review video, and these products are all from Amazon, right? They're just reviewing the Amazon products, and on every single video they're putting links. And if I just click on this video, you'll see here they're just not putting one link, they're putting a lot of link, right? And right on the beginning, and what they're actually doing is utilizing free strategies, free method. And this channel might be just 100% automated, right? So they might have a team of video editors, voiceover artists, script writers, and also thumbnail designers who are actually creating these videos for them. And pretty much these talents actually doesn't cost that much. You can actually go to Fiverr or Upwork and actually hire all these people who can actually make these videos for you, right? And if you actually don't have that much funds to actually get started, you can go to the site Picktree, right? And you can actually make the videos yourself, AI generated clips. So you're going to just get the clips, whichever products that you want to review, and you're going to see if you can find clips from here, right? Or you can also go to a site like Pixabay, and you can also get all those gadgets, photos, videos from here, Pexels, right? And you can also download to your actual computer and drop it to Picktree. It will actually create the videos. It's all AI based. It will actually create the videos for you, and after you have created the video, Picktree also got a AI software, which is the voiceover software, right? And you can actually start using that. And price wise, we're looking at, it's not that expensive, right? But it also gives you like a free trial for you to get started, right? And it's only $19 per month, which is not a lot of money, because you'll start to earn from like as soon as you start uploading videos, and you're really consistent with this method, you'll start to generate that commissions, right, coming to your bank account. So the thing that you need to do is go to Amazon, and you need to create a affiliate account for yourself, right? Affiliate programs, and you need to just sign up for their program, so that way you can start to generate, right? So you're going to click on this button, and like I said, you can do this from anywhere in the world, as long Amazon ships the products out there, right? So you're going to be like a middleman between a buyer and also the actual seller, and just going to be the middleman. So if a new product actually comes out, then you're going to be just doing the review for that product, right? And the way I actually do it is I just search for best sellers on Amazon, because these are the best selling products on Amazon. And once you go on there, you're going to see a lot of products, best sellers on Amazon, right? And you're going to go to Amazon and just look for all the best sellers which are actually selling very well on Amazon, right? And that way you can just you just limited to one products. But if I'm actually getting started, I'll go for normally like toys and games, and also I'll go for like small products like books, fashion, you got musics, right? And once you sign up for that Amazon affiliate product program, that's when you can go and once you click on this product, it will actually give you a affiliate link, where on every product that you just put that link inside your description area, right? So that's going to be very simple method. And on here you can see that they don't even put that much keywords, right? But you're going to have a fair advantage, because the one actual place where I actually go and do the keyword research is vidIQ, right? And I'll go to vidIQ, and once I have gone to vidIQ, I'll just search for that best selling products, right? And it will actually give me all the related keywords that's actually been used on YouTube. So for example, if I want to do this product here, okay, so tire inflator, it's like a really popular product, it's like #1, right? And I'll just type in tire inflator, and I'll just go to vidIQ. You can also do that research on actual on YouTube by itself, right? And it will actually give you related keywords, right? Which is just awesome. At the moment I'm using free vidIQ, right? But once you click on these ones, you'll get to see, let me go and log in, give me a second. So once you go inside vidIQ, that's when you can look for other related keywords. Like for example, you're going to go to keywords, and you're going to just paste that keyword here, and it will actually give you the related keywords. And those are the keywords that I'll actually be putting into my search, right? Once I do the title. So in here you can see search volume, overall score. So search volume, I'll look for like 3,000 plus, so that way I can have like a better chance of ranking that product. And the competition, I'll look for very low. So this is a perfect example, low and very low. But if you find a keyword that's at least like 3,000 search volume, and which is low and very low, 3,000 plus, which is like going to be a great product for you to be putting onto YouTube and doing a review. So this channel is actually doing a review for all these products, and on every single video they're putting a description. In the description they're putting the link to that product. Okay, so in here if I go and see, right, so they got like tons of products here which they actually got, and this is all affiliate links, by the way. Some of them they're actually from Amazon, and the other links here might be from other websites, right? So it might be from other website, and they're just affiliate for that website, right? So it's easy to join any affiliate product programs, and you can start to earn that ongoing commission and start to upload, but you need to be consistent. If you're doing the videos yourself, use Picktree, Pixels, Pixabay. It will be a great starting point for you. But if you want to hire a team who can actually do this, you can go to Fiverr and Upwork and hire the team. And also I'll probably work with one person who has like a team and who can actually manage, so that way I don't have to deal with 5 or 6 different people. I can just deal with one person, right? So thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. Like I said, I'll give you a bonus, so I'll leave a link in my description area. I'm actually selling out a channel, already monetized channel, and the channel is already earning, and I've also got a team in place for that channel. So if you are actually someone out there who's looking for a already monetized channel, a channel that's already earning, reach out to me and I'll give you the channel, and together with the channel I'll also be giving you my actual team bonus as well. And so that way it will have you going to have a better chance of actually growing that channel and scaling that channel as well, right? So reach out to me. I'll leave my Facebook link in the description, and I hope you enjoyed and like this video, and I'll speak to you in the next video. Thanks so much, and bye for now.